number 1.8. I am reading the question. Very easy question. 1.8. Which of the following quantities have three significant figures? It is like an MCQ question. So clearly you can see I have told you uh, how many significant figures, how you can count. If you have learned the rules which I explained to you, you can easily find from the given choices which numbers have three significant figures. Clearly, if you check the B part, I am writing B part. B part is 0.00309 kg. Can you tell me how many significant figures are here? Clearly, when 0 are here, toward the left side of the non-zero digit, they are meaningless. You know this rule, they are meaningless. So they are how many? Then left 1, 2 and 3. So it means three significant figures. I am writing SF. So it means 1 is B, option is right. Next C part, look at the C part. C part is 5.05 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Notice down what rule I have explained to you. When they are given in power, okay, recall or remember the rule which I explained to you in significant figures. When you have converted any number in scientific notation, we skip these powers. We will skip these 10 power minus 27 and count these numbers as significant. So clearly they are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So I will write significant figures equals to 3. So only B and C part containing three significant figures. Others A and D are not. Okay, can I explain to you? I think you can do A and D. They don't contain three significant. I just tell you in part A there are 4 and 3, 5 significant figures. In part A there are 5 significant figures. It means it is not our answer. And if you notice down the part D, there are 4 significant figures in part D. So because we have to select only 3, so that's why our answer B and C. So that's okay. Next question 1.8. Question 1.9 is also too easy. What are the significant figures in the following measurements? You have to write now the number of significant figures. I am writing the A part. In A there is 1.009 meter. This unit. Can you tell me how many significant figures are there? Clearly now zeros are counted. Zero will be counted because zeros are in between non-zero digits. So how many are here? 4. This is 4. 4 significant figures. And now B part 0.00450 kg. I think you know, in the previous question I have told you, after non-zero digit, these zero become meaningless. Then how many significant figures? 3 significant figures. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now C part 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Okay, can you tell me, in previous question I have told you powers, 10 powers is ignored. So these numbers are counted, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 significant figures. In D part, that is too easy. Second, it is S for second, time. So how many are here? Clearly 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 significant figures. Pause. The last numerical is also so simple and easy. 1.10. A chocolate wrapper is 6.7 centimeter long. It means they have given to length, and 5.4 centimeter wide, and width of this wrapper is 5.4 centimeter. So I will write the given data like this. Length of wrapper, we can denote this with L. Length of the wrapper is 6.7 centimeter, and width of wrapper denoted by W equals 5.4 centimeter. You know, wrapper is like a rectangle shape like this. It is like this. This is the length, 6.7 centimeter. This is the width, 5.4 centimeter. So wrapper is like this rectangle. So you know what he's asking to you? You have to find the area. He's asking you calculate its area. Area A you have to find out. So this is our given data. So I think you know the formula of rectangle. Length into width give you area. So area A is equals to length into width. What is length? 6.7. What is width? 5.4. And centimeter square. When both here centimeter give you centimeter square, because area is also in form of unit. When you write the unit of area, that is in square. So if you multiply these two value, you will get, what is the answer? 6.7 into 5.4. Answer is 36.18 centimeter square. But notice down in question, he has asked you calculate its area up to reasonable number of significant figures. Reasonable mean, you can see 1/8, they are very small quantity. 1/8 mean when you skip this 8 it become 2. So reasonable mean you can round it off. When you round it off, your answer is 36 centimeter square. So this is your area answer. I think you must have understood why I have rounded these, because he has asked you reasonable significant figures. Mean this is very small quantity, so that's why we can skip this. So answer is this 36 centimeter square. So that's end of our numericals.